Start again, and go.
Okay. Hi, my name is Philip, representing Team OGNG in this hackathon. Other team members are Saba, Raja, and Saad. The product we built using Cohere multilingual model is called CoDoctor. Imagine this scenario. You just graduated from engineering in a scholarship paid for by a welfare committee in your village. Now, you have to travel down to the village to show your appreciation for their support. On getting there, a pandemic struck. Now, everybody in the village have questions for you since you're the only graduate in town. The only healthcare questions that only healthcare professionals can answer. But there is none readily available. So you pulled out your phone, opened up CoDoctor app, typed in their questions, and got accurate answers for them. And isn't that amazing? I think it is. You just prove that you're worthy of their time and their money. So we started the process of building this solution from gathering data sets from Kaggle and paperdoc.com. The data set contains questions and answers from professionals about COVID-19 and other medical conditions. I think I will pass the mic now to my colleague to continue from here.
Here is our demo. Your query, and you will optimize your results on the basis of different research questions, and you can search whatever you want to learn. So it will show you results accordingly. So it is doing, and you can see different answer in different languages. So that the main part is the.
So hi, as my colleagues told you about a little bit about CoDoctor, and Saad showed you the demo of the app. So I'll be telling you how we used Cohere in this and how we actually were able to use such a large data set and build an application that elegantly resolves all queries, all questions, or any kind of problem anyone can face, and they can easily use it in their phones, in their computers, or laptops. So we got the Cohere multilingual model because we had the data set in multiple languages, in French, in Chinese, in English, in Urdu, in Arabic. And we use the Cohere multilanguage model so that all the text, they are trained the same way. The feature that we would really add in future, and we couldn't add in this week, is that we would give the user an option to translate or to choose the language in which he wants to see the queries. And regardless of the language he chooses, he would be able to see the most accurate and the most similar queries as we had in our data set. So we cleaned the data, we trained it on it. We were on the trial API key, so we couldn't use Cohere to the fullest, but we are hopeful that we will be using it in future when we're expanding this app. And in the production, it's very easy. The user just enters the query. He can enter a simple question. He can enter a whole paragraph. He can enter his or her symptoms and anything regarding that. And our app will give it the best solution it has. So that's most of what the inside working is about. I'll give my mic to Saba, and she will tell you about the limitations we have.
Yes, here is some limitations according to make this project as well, like limited COVID-19 dataset as well, limited time, and limited computational power try APIs, and only some basic features in our application as well. So hope it will be best in future. We can make it very efficient according to future purpose. Also, get more data sets, include more features on the application like language choice, get telecommunication companies to make it readability available to subscribers. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity. And we are participating in hackathon. We have a good time in this hackathon. So thank you.